Hey guys! So, I just got my new vlogging camera and I'm so excited. So I'm going to unbox it for you. But first, quick story. Okay. So I was outside with my friend and with my rabbit, and I saw the FedEx truck come, and I got so excited. So I grabbed Charlie, I ran inside, and as I was running inside, I hit my toe on like the doorstep, and it hurts so much. So I have ice. I can't walk on my toe now. I don't know if it's like broken, but it hurts a lot. Ow. But anyways, let's get started with the video. Okay, so this is the box. Of course, I had to, do that. I don't want any stalkers coming. But let's open this. Ow! My nail polish! No! Dang it. Okay, now that the box is open, let's see what is inside. So we have our bubble wrapped. Oh, okay. Move that. Okay. Now let's just. Ooh. So this is the box. The Samsung NX Mini. Let's open her up. Okay. Let's open. Okay. Look at how nice, awkward arm pose. Okay, so we have this. This is probably like the manual or something, right? So let's see what's in here. We have Korean. Okay. The warranty. We have sorry, it's too bright, isn't it? It is too bright. Okay, maybe that's better. We have the CD and Photoshop. Oh, okay, that's nice. Okay, now let's see this. So we have our lens. This is the 9-27 lens, I believe. Let's see. That is what that looks like. You have the 9-27. Can you guys see that? That is a 9-27, 3.5 to 5.6. And that's what that looks like. Okay, and you have like a charging cable. You got a charging cable, a battery. Oh, the wall outlet part. Maybe this is for like your car, I think, or I don't know. Maybe it's for like if you're in a different country, because they have like a different thing. I don't know. Okay, now I know what this is. It is actually a flash. Wait, how the heck do you open it? I just opened it, but now I don't know how, because I'm so dumb. Oh, okay, got it. It is a flash. Yeah. That's cool. Let's see. Oh my goodness, that is small. We have a micro SD card. This camera does not take normal SD cards. It takes a micro. Or I think you can put it in your phone. Some phones have a micro SD. I don't think my computer does. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so there's that. I thought I would have to buy one, but good thing not. Oh, nice. And you get like a little strap that you can put on, so you can put it on your wrist so that you don't like drop it. It's great, because I needed that. So this is the actual camera. So was just 9. It was 9 to 27. I think it might be just those two, but there might be one more. I'm not sure. So after you take that cover off, you can just screw that off. And you want to make the points meet because they're like DSLRs. And then I can't get mine home. Or that's embarrassing. That's really embarrassing. Oh, I thought it. Whoops. So the white dots have to meet. There you go. Now. Nice. Okay. So then you have these buttons. Let's see. I think that's flash. That's a flash right there. What is this? Or is this? This is the like charging, isn't it? The Wi-Fi. I think it's Wi-Fi enabled. Power. The shutter. Oh, look at this. Hello. Wow, I really have to play with this. But the best part, it flips up like this. I can finally see myself when I vlog, and it's gonna be like really good quality. I'm so excited. Okay. There is that. And so I'm gonna just show you. Okay, after I like play with it a little bit, I don't know if I have to charge it first or if it's okay, but after I play with it and get used to it, I will give you guys a video test and like a little bit of a vlog. So yay! So this is the outside. This is like the quality of it. Hey guys! How do I look in this? Do I look good? I hope I look good. I think I look good. I have to stop looking up there. Yeah, there's like a little screen up there. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on you. But my hair is really bad. I'm gonna get it cut Saturday. Yay! So this is just the outside lighting, I guess. It's really sunny. It's so sunny today. Where's the sun? Oh, there's the sun. It's a beautiful day. It's really hot too, so. So this is what it looks like with like good lighting inside. So. Now I'm gonna like walk through my house because it's like kind of dark. So I want to see how that looks like. It's so dark in here. Charlie, say hello. Say hello, Charlie. Say hello. Okay, I'm just gonna end it right here. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye. Yay! It worked. Okay, anyways. Come on. Maybe I should put it like that. Oh no, it's still recording. Crap.